and I hope you're finding this pretty easy. So we're on to two-step equations again, and make sure you always take care of the add, subtract first, and then the multiply, divide next. All right, and so we're on example 4 on page 471. So make sure you're getting these notes in. And it says to solve. Okay, it keeps getting harder, but you guys keep getting smarter, so it's okay. 1/5 r equals -1. Okay, it's not time to panic, but we're looking at fractions, we're looking at negatives, and we're looking at algebra. And so we're going to start it using all those rules that we already know. So what side are we working on? We're working on the r side. And the two-step equation says to take care of the add, subtract. So that means we have to take care of the 4 first. And so it's add 4, so we're going to subtract 4 to get rid of it on both sides. And we're left with 1/5 r equals same sign, so you add them up, add the sign. All right, now, how do we get rid of this fraction? Well, we multiply it. Oops, that should be parentheses. So I'm going to write that down. 1/5 times the reciprocal, which is 5/1, r equals -5 times 5/1. So multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. So now you get the coefficient is 1, and we can make that a fraction, and we get -25. Or 25, and there's one negative, so it makes the answer -25. And this one here is worth checking because it's a little bit more complicated. But let's look at it. 4 plus 1/5 r equals -1. So substitute in, and this one here is -25/1. It's the same thing, and I'm asking myself, does it equal -1? So, order of operations, we take care of this first, and we multiply across, and this is a positive here. And we get 25/5, and that actually is a negative because there's only one negative here, right here. Bring down the rest of the story, ask yourself, and now stop, drop, divide, this would be a -5. And does that equal -1? Oops, -1. And yes, the different signs, subtract, subtract, and you get 1, and the 5 takes a sign. So -1 does, in fact, equal -1. So your 3-step check now is 4 and 5 steps. Thank you.